Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I've got a Littlestown number 25 vise that I got more tweaking to do. Today we're going to work on making the beam not have any rattle at all and to fit flush, straight, and smooth all the way in and out. I think I've accomplished that. Let me show you how I did it. This Littlestown vise has got a problem. The jaw is loose in the body. Now, I think the problem is the beam is too small for the hole. I can't make the hole smaller, and I can't make the beam bigger without welding on something onto the side or bolting something onto the side and taking up the slot. That's going to involve a whole lot of work on a little vise that's nice, but it's not worth that much trouble. So after thinking about it for a while, I came up with a solution. I can put a shim between the beam and the bore on this side, and that'll shove that beam over and make the jaws line up. Now, to determine how big that shim's got to be, I'm going to use a set of feeler gauges. I'm going to slide a feeler gauge in there between the two pieces and see just how much room I actually have. Now, this is a 12 thousandths. That's pretty loose. Yeah, that's not going to do it. This is a 20 thousandths. Well, that brings it in pretty close, doesn't it? It's still got a little movement in there, but you're going to have that. You have to have a clearance for the thing to move. Let's see. This one is 25 thousandths. Let's see what that does. Well, it fits in there. Still lets it slide back and forth. There's very little shake. I think that's the size we want. Nice 90-degree bend, no cracks. I think this is going to work quite well. Cooled off. Now we have a functional vise. So how do I hold this in there? Well, the hole might give you an indication. If I drill and tap for a small screw into that casting right here, as long as I keep it rather shallow, it shouldn't weaken the casting. This little guy should do just fine. I just need to decide which size it is. Takes a 3/32 Allen wrench. Let's run it up against this 1032 thread. Nope, that's wrong. Try it in the 832. That's a good fit. So this is an 832 screw. Now I just have to find an 832 tap. I have one. I have an 832 plug tap, and I have an 832 bottoming tap. Now this bottoming tap is one that somebody made into a bottoming tap, but it's going to work just fine. So I'll put those in there with the screw so that I've got them separated. I can put the thread dies and taps away. Then I just have to drill a hole. But to do that, I have to find out what size hole. To use an 832 tap, I need to use a number 29 drill bit. No wobble. Solid. Nice.